Hi guys, welcome back here. So this video is all about my room tour. So I'm just gonna say it right here. My room is not the most Pinterest inspired and most aesthetic one, but I just love my room. So here's a quick story. So earlier, me and my sister used to share one room. Now we suddenly realized that we are not able to cope up with one place. We need our two different places to work better, and we need a little bit of privacy. Decided to leave that room and make my own. It's a smaller one. She got the bigger one, but I don't mind because I wanted a large window, as you can see right there. So I just love my room. I made every bit and corner of it. It's hand-picked by me, like from the curtains to bed sheets to pillow covers to my painting, like everything. A little keychain is like picked by me. So now you can guess. I'm just gonna show you around and explain it to you, little things that's there. So let's just go. But before we move forward, don't forget to like this video and subscribe it. Okay, so we're gonna start from here. This is my gate from this is my main door to my room. So as soon as you enter from here, on the left side you're gonna see my side table. I have this wooden paneling. You can see I've put some LED lights in between them. My table, so we have some lilies. So I have my AC car remote. I have a little diary, some quick pointers. I have my lip oil from Zara. This cute frame that I liked. This is my alarm clock. I have my lilies candle and my favorite Starbucks tumbler. Moving on, so below this is basically some charging points, my speaker, and some of my notebooks right there. After my side table comes my bed. So here's my bed, good mattress with gray back support, and so these are the two cushions. It gives the beige color. It just matches with my curtains and stuff. So right here is Ollie. I just can't sleep without it. It's very special to my heart. Moving on the other side of my bed is my sort of a study table. I have like a really small table where I put some flowers. I have my laptop right here, a lamp, some of my notebooks and stuff. This is basically my office bag on the chair right here, and some basic stuff. On the lamp we have some body lotion, some lip balm, chotu se ganpati, and my favorite oud candle, and some ORFs that I've kept, and some sticky notes. Of my side table is basically all my stationery items. These are all my colored pens, my normal pens and pencils, some sticky notes and papers. And in this drawer I basically just have some more registers, notebooks. Let's just accept everyone has this little corner where they store their cookies and like midnight snacks. So I have some cookie box right here which I just put right beside my bed for that late night snacking. Now that this whole side is done, we are gonna move to this door right here. So this door is basically my WC. While I was making this room, I asked my mom if we can break this middle wall, but due to some things we couldn't, and I had to get a separate WC and a separate bathroom. So yeah, so I'm just not gonna show this. It's a little messy. Moving on, this is something really special here. I have like this planty thing, and I also have some diffusers, some candle, and photo frames of my family. Also, if someone asks me how your room smells amazing all the time, it's because I use this room spray from Marks and Spencer Home. It's basically a linen spray which I spray on my curtains, bed sheet and etc. This cloud right here is a keychain holder. I have one more candle here and one candle here, and basically just all my family pictures and pictures of myself. Coming down, I have a little planter here which is basically to cover a switchboard right behind that. Okay, so now coming onto this door, this is basically my bath area. Let's just go and see. So as soon as you enter, you see this is basically my bathing area. I don't know if you can see, it looks like a little blue. This is how my bathroom tiles look like. I really like my black tiles. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks in a different lighting. Here you go. These black tiles reflect those colorful disco lights so well, and I just enjoy having a bath here. So now moving on from my bathroom, here it's just opposite my bed. I have this huge curtains, beige curtains. So after these curtains is basically one more door which is concealed right here. This door opens to a balcony, a huge window. I have this runner right here which is basically mix of browns and beige and grey. It matches with my bed sheet, my bedboard and my curtains. So yeah, basically this was all my room. It's very small. If you can see some entrance right here, is basically my closet area. So entering right from here, you see a big mirror. And this is me. This is my wardrobe. I have a mirror door right here. So basically it's two mirrors and a wardrobe in one. Moving left to it, I have this shelf right here, and I have some drawers below it and some more storage. Above that I have my sink with my all necessities and a mirror, one more mirror basically. It has like different lights. This is the yellow one, a blue one and a pink one. Now the details, I have this holder. This is basically hand towel holder, but I've used it to, you know, keep all my rubber bands in one place. It's just easy for me to grab and go. As you can see right here, I have all my toiletries, artificial flowers, my water flosser, hand wash, my brush, toothpaste and some, you know, more skincare. And moving on, I have this skincare organizer where I store all my necessities, all my serums. Now moving on to more right, I have this container which carries all my makeup. Okay, so the container right here has all my makeup. This is my tissue box, and I have some books right here. All the other books I've packed in and stored it inside my cupboard, but there are some books on the outside. On top of it is quite a lot of stuff. So here's my hair spa, some candles, some perfume, then my more necessities like my clips, some Odomos, some cream, some essentials oil, and basically it. Then some more skincare. All my lipsticks that I use on everyday basis are here. Then some my makeup setting sprays, some blush, some sunscreen, my body lotion, and all my brushes are right here. So basically some more stuff that I need for on the grab go is all here. So we have all more like a luxury items. I have this perfume set, my Gucci belt, my Gucci box, then Charlotte Tilbury makeup products, my Miss Dior, some of my jewelry that I use on everyday basis like the dainty pieces. I have my Michael Kors sunglasses, and I have my Gucci bag right here. My Swarovski and my perfumes are basically right here. Now on the topmost column is basically some empty boxes, some frame, and just random stuff with a little flower vase right there. That was it in my this column. Moving on, below this are basically my drawers. So in the first drawer I have like some random stuff which is like organized in cases. All the wires are here, and all like my shower caps and basically the travel toiletries are here. Then my rubber bands, all my nail stuff, some more earrings and nail paints, and some masks are basically organized in these columns. In the second one, basically I have all my papers, random papers, some travel bag that I have which is like full of medicines. In the last drawer is basically all my dental stuff, all the products that I want to try, I have received in PR. Yeah, so that was it. In this column I have just my cleaners and my dusters and all. And yeah, this is the mirror. I'm not gonna show you what's inside my cupboard because it's quite messy. One thing I forgot to add, so right here that you see there's a curtain, is basically a window which I have covered it by a curtain. But yeah, this is the window right here, and I really like how in the morning the sunlight just peeps through this. Love sunlight, so whenever there was possible I got a window installed. So yeah, this is how my room looks like with all the lights on. Basically the yellows and the white lights. I have these two white lights installed right here, and these two yellow lights, I just really like how they amp up this empty wall that I have. So yeah, that is how my closet room looks like. So yeah, that was my room. I hope you liked. So yeah, that was the room that you saw. I just wanna quickly hear and tell you a little more things about me and my room. So basically whenever I'm back home, I feel like this is my safe place. Like everything here is so accessible, and all of my things are really in just one place. So whenever you enter my room, you smell like lilies. So I am a big lilies fan. I just love white and pink lilies, basically the white ones. And whenever you enter my room, you always gonna smell like fresh lilies. Either I use a room perfume, basically Home Center has this lilies candle that I showed you on my side table. So either I burn that, or I use a room freshener in lilies flavor, or mostly I have fresh lilies at my place. So I try to get fresh lilies as frequent as possible. I have like so many yellow lights in my room that I really like. I wanted to feel relaxed, so I wanted very minimal white lights and more of yellow lighting, because it just makes me feel relaxed at the end of the day. I also have like beige color selected because with yellow lighting, beige like goes with it. I didn't want any vibrant or steep color. I just wanted to feel at peace in my room, so I chose these colors. So I've not hired any professional to do it. Everything that I've done is by my own. So I have also done some quite of mistakes, like, so there are so many doors in my room, as you could see in the videos. This is something that I couldn't eliminate, so I just had to deal with it. And thing that I didn't know before I was making the room is that it's quite small, and I didn't leave any space to shoot because I didn't know at the time that I'll be shooting a lot or recording content. So that is something which I didn't consider. So my room is sun facing, so in the early mornings, as soon as the sun rises, my room just lights up with a lot of sunlight. I wanted a room with sunlight. I can't deal with dark spaces at all. Sometimes I just really sleep with lights on, so I am that kind of a person. I hate darkness. So yeah, I hope you really liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please put down in the